Tales with Mac and Prowler.
Life's a pretty hard lesson if you're gonna survive. Thank you, Smith and Wesson. Lord, I'm still alive. Gonna save the game, one predator at a time. God, guns, and country, we're gonna hold that line. Oh, Mac and Prowler, gonna hunt the hunter down. Oh, Mac and Prowler, coming to your town.
Gonna save the game, one predator at a time.
God, guns, and country, we're gonna hold that line. Hold that line.
I'm Mac.
And I'm Prowler.
We want to thank y'all for watching Coyote Tales with Mac and Prowler, where we not only show you the hunt, we tell you the tale.
Let's go watch and see what's going on. Mac and Prowler. Hunting with the Hunters. Airforce Airguns. The 45 caliber Texan. Mac and Prowler, saving your game, one predator at a time. We had an entourage of people out here today, but the three of us managed to slip up on a couple of sleeping pigs, or sunbathing anyway. This is Joe Kennedy of Boggy Creek Outfitters, who's guiding Leland, an 8-year-old young man, on a nice pig hunt with the Texas Air Force air rifle.
Get it, that is way too short.
So you're going to shoot him in the face, all right?
You want to shoot? You got them?
Yeah.
Squeeze slow. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yes.
Squeeze slow.
Get the other one, get the other one.
He took off. He's gone.
Here.
You got him, man. In the head.
He stopped. Now he's left. I'm wondering if he's injured too.
I bet he is.
He's gone.
He's running now.
I could have parked him.
He didn't know whether to stay or go.
He had no clue what was going on. That's the
Right.
deal.
He's still asleep.
They was asleep.
That's what I thought. I said, what are they doing over there?
Crush my wrist. Crack is up for it. So low.
Right out in front of you.
Oh, I see it.
A sandwich.
We had 12 pack of Coke Zeros.
I thought they were pretty close. How did they sleep with their eyes open? They were sleeping.
They thought they were hid.
So big that eyeball. Man.
Because that's what that bullet did to it.
I popped its eyeball out.
Oh, he was born like that.
It's creepy. I love you, Dad.
What did he just say?
I love you, Dad.
I love you, Dad.
Yeah, I love you, Dad.
You showed him hard, Dad. Made his
Are you mad I
eyeballs
spotted
out.
those? Should we have to driving? That's a good hog, man.
Yeah, it's a big hog. He got some cutters on him too, Leland. Look at there.
That would be awesome.
That's like got some big cutters.
Yeah, he does.
Golly, look at that, dude.
Now reach down there and see him jump again.
Look at my high five at right here.
Whoa.
This is Mr. Leland with a very nice hog with the Airforce Texan 45 caliber air gun.
Bad to the bone.
And as you can see, it did its job well.
Shot him right in the head.
Yes, sir.
Dislocated his eyeball.
What do you think, boy?
That's cool.
That's cool. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Kennedy, again, coming through. All right, Boggy Creek Outfitters. Every
Boggy
time.
Creek Outfitters. How big is that pig?
He's about 300 pounds.
That's what I figured. Okay. What is that?
45 caliber bullet.
And what did it come out of?
The Texan Airforce air rifle.
It's a Texan, called the Texan.
The Texan.
Joker's Wild Outdoors and M2D Camel Properties are your premier Western big game outfitter. Specializing in elk, deer, antelope, moose, bears, and even those stupid turkeys. If you're looking for a hair-raising great time, give us a call and book your next hunt with Joker's Wild Outdoors.
Looking at that. You got him?
Yeah, but wait a minute. Wait. Don't shoot.
All right. You got him?
Watch the dog. Watch the dog.
All right,
Get him. Watch the dog. Huh? Wait a minute. I got it, but barely. I think I got it. I had it zoomed in, then I couldn't find it. Good girl. Good girl.
He's a big old dog.
In front of us. He's coming. See him?
Yeah.
See him, Michael?
He's coming.
Let him come.
Let him get close.
I'm gonna turn it off.
Don't move.
Woof! Woof!
Shoot him.
Get him, Michael. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. You just got his leg.
I was supposed to pull the trigger again. I got him. I shot him through the chest. It's all right. Hey, it don't ever hurt to shoot twice. We don't want them running off.
What happened?
Jeremy scared me
How?
when he shot the second time.
Why?
I thought I pulled the trigger.
Oh.
I wasn't ready.
You got him safe?
Huh?
You him safe?
Yeah, I'm on safety now.
Oh, no.
Brother-in-law finally killed something.
About time. How many times have we took him?
4.
4? This is the 5th time?
Yep.
5th time, and this is the first time we've even seen a coyote with him here. But we got one dead to the water out there. Another greasy coyote is down.
I just want you to know that was the hardest thing I ever done, not pull the trigger when he was coming towards us, because I had it on his throat, ready to pull it. I did too. And then when he turned sideways, I shot him through his chest.
Yep. And Jeremy had to wait and give Michael the turn. But that's all right. Everything's good.
I didn't know how close he wanted him to come in. When he barked, that's when he wanted him shot.
Yeah.
I mean, he was stopping him. I didn't know.
Yeah, he's
good.
He was good. I was afraid he was fixing to hook him, but he didn't. He made that final one more check up and look.
He might have thought he was going to hook him, but my crosshairs was on him the whole time. No, we decided to come out coyote hunting this morning and brought my brother-in-law, Michael Terry, with us. He's been about 4 or 5 times, and we can't seem to ever call anything in when he goes with us. And this morning, we made one set up, and coyote circled around behind us. We decided to move and went to a different spot. And when we were walking in, this coyote was barking at us. We hurried up and got set up, turned the call on, turned the decoy on. Within 30 seconds, he was dead to a 308 Bushmaster. How do you like coyote hunting now? I like it. I'm glad I got to kill one.
What did Michael Terry say this morning when we was getting ready to leave?
If I don't see one today, if I don't kill one today, I ain't coming back. I've been bad luck. But we were successful. This coyote was coming in really hard. That Game Tracks game call and that Mojo puppy dog decoy had his attention. He had no idea what was fixing to happen to him.
Going away from us.
Yeah.
You got him?
Yeah. Got him. And you hit him. He's down. He's down. He's down. Where'd he come from?
I seen him standing.
Okay.
Well, this is our first time to use the Ranger by AW Calls, and it worked like a charm this morning. We're on top of our truck and set these things up, and it was perfect. I usually shoot with shooting sticks because I found out I can't shoot anymore without them. But this is better than any shooting stick I ever used in my life. And popped that coyote about, he's about 100, 150 yards, somewhere along in there. And just can't ask, it's just perfect. You got plenty of range of movement. Up and down, left and right. I like it.
We got the camera mounted on the other one.
Oh. Well, Mac's over there filming me, and he's got the camera mounted on one, just like this one. And he's got his gun sitting on top of it, and that way, if one comes from his way, he can actually shoot from over there. This is so neat. You just can't, it's the most stable shooting platform I've ever shot off of. It's almost like shooting off sandbags. And with this, AW has really come up with a good product here. I'm amazed at it.
We use them to sight in our guns.
Yeah. That's right.
And if they're not sturdy enough or stable enough to suit you, just like they are, you can hang weights off of the hook.
That's what this is for down here. Can you see that, Mac?
Yeah.
That's the hook. If you want it more stable, you just hang a weight off of that and it holds straight down. It pulls down and just makes it like an anchor then. And we're fixing to go out here and get this coyote and do a short interview about it, and we're going to be right back after this.
Need to do some shopping for some double tap ammo to drop that bull of a lifetime? Joker's Wild Outdoors has you covered. Need some new Vortex optics? Definitely check us out at jokerswildoutdoors.com. Or maybe you need a new Alps pack to pack out that bull of a lifetime that you just harvested with your bow. Early season? Need some trail cameras? Joker's Wild Outdoors has you covered. For all your online shopping needs, go to jokerswildoutdoors.com and pick something up today.
I think he might have been further than 150 yards. Sitting on that truck, it looked closer.
Oh, I gotta catch my breath. 269 steps where he was laying.
That's a big old dog there.
That's a big dog.
That game call, he couldn't resist.
Well, the game tracks did his thing, that's for sure. After it got him in, the Mojo puppy dog, Arrow Killer, he kept him entertained long enough for me to get on him. When we came in this morning, we came in before daylight and we drove our little vehicle in here, and the coyotes were already out here. We had one barking at us as soon as we got out of the vehicle almost. And before the sun come up, Mac got the stuff set up. He didn't set out very far because we knew the coyotes were already here, so he just set up pretty close. And got back up here and turned it on, and shoot, it wasn't what, 5 minutes? 10 minutes maybe?
Wasn't that long.
I looked up, he was standing there. I don't know where he came from.
I think he came up from behind that hill.
Well, yeah, because I'd already seen two back over here at the same place about where he was at. And they took off running that way, but that don't mean anything. This could be one of them or it couldn't. He's a big old dog. And ended up being 250 plus yards, somewhere along in there, which I'm kind of proud of that shot. I don't get to make those very often.
Yeah, but it was because of the EW
Well, that's right.
called tripod.
The EW tripod, the Ranger, is what we're using. Had it set up on top of our vehicle up here, and it was just perfect for me. I mean, you know, I just set it in there and wait for him to stop. When he stopped, I started squeezing the trigger. About the time I squeezed the trigger, he started moving. I hit him a little bit far back, but with those Barnes bullets, he didn't go very far. I guess they call it the Predator bullets, something like that. I don't know what it's called, but it's a hollow point, and it didn't even go through him. So all of the energy was absorbed in him, and he ran what, 15 yards maybe, 10 yards, something like that, and just piled up. But we're fixing to go pick up turtle and go to another spot and see if we can do any good over there. The EW Cause Ranger tripods are fantastic, and this M2D camo has really done a good job. I can't say enough about that. This is fine stuff right here, all of it. We got the Mojo decoys, and we got the Game Tracks calls, and Bushmaster. Excuse me. All of it works together, and it just makes for an awesome hunt, an awesome setup, especially when you get to shoot one. So,
very deadly combination.
Yeah, it is a deadly combination. I'm copying Mac now. All right, we got to go pick up turtle, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.
Deal.
I hit it somewhere.
You did. What do you like most about shooting this this gun?
It's easy to cock and load, and I like it.
That's good. Yeah. This is the Airforce Talon P from Airforce Airguns.
Yeah.
Having a lot of fun today with this gun.
Yeah.
Why can't you just use the door?
Grim Reaper broadheads. Watch them drop.